everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Jessica and I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. And today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I have not done one of these in a very long time. I used to do mystery reseller unboxings and it's been a while since I filmed one, but I am excited because about 2 videos ago, I purchased a pair of Lululemon shorts and a tank top, and I walked you all through how I believe consumers shop on Poshmark and how I personally shop on Poshmark, and I wanted to share with you all when I received the items that I purchased, basically how they look, how they were shipped, everything about it. So I did receive it. She did ship it the very next day, which was really nice. And then I did receive it in this white envelope. And typically I will receive in a priority mail actual box that the post office has for free. This is my first time receiving it in an envelope like this, but it's totally fine. Either way works. I do think the boxes are a little bit better because they can't really get water damaged, where an envelope like this is very thin. So I feel like this is something that really could get damaged if it was snowing or raining or whatever the case may be. So, all right, well, let's open up and see what is inside. 2 of my items are inside here. Some people will leave like a little note or put tissue paper in. Okay, so the first thing is this Lululemon tank top that I got. It does look like it's in, you always want to check to make sure that it's in good condition. So this does look like it is in good condition. It is very thin, but yeah, it looks like it's in good condition. It's a like bright color for the summertime. I think this will be perfect for me to work out in. Really cute. So yeah, I like it. I'm happy with it. It, you know, as long as it looks like what it said it was. There's no holes, no pilling. It's in perfect condition. The Lululemon logo is right there. So yeah, size 2. We're good to go with the tank top. I'm happy with that. And then I did get a pair of shorts, and these should be a size 4. So here is the Lululemon logo right here. I love these. I think this print is super cute. It's like a blue little, it has like, almost looks like flowers kind of, but it's cool. It's like black and blue. I like that a lot. And then, let's see. Yep, and it is a size 4. All right, awesome. So yeah, these look like they are in perfect condition as well, which is exactly what I was hoping to buy. So that is really awesome. Now, if you are unfamiliar with Poshmark, as soon as you receive the items, definitely review them to make sure that they are in excellent condition. There is nothing wrong with the item. It is exactly how you would have expected them to be when you receive them. And then you have to go in and basically select that you have received the item so that the funds can go to the seller, because they will not receive the funds until you have selected that you have received it. Now, let's say that I never selected that I received this, which I would not do that, but some people may forget to do it or something. After, I think it's 3 days, the funds will automatically get sent to the seller. And I do want to make a side note. I had something very strange happen to me about a week ago. I sold a long sleeve Nike crop top, and it was so strange. The label for the person's house, it was, you know, a regular shipping label to their house, but for some reason it went to the post office and it was there for like 4 days, and the person did not pick it up, and I did not get my money. So I just emailed Poshmark and I was like, I took a screenshot of where it was currently at based on the shipping like shipping tracking of the shipping, and I took a screenshot that like my money was still sitting in the, like I didn't receive the money yet. So I sent it to Poshmark, and I just emailed them. I said, just want to let you know, about the situation. I still haven't received my funds. It's been 4 days, and my item is just sitting at this person's post office, even though the shipping label was for their house. So they gave me my money within, I think it was less than 24 hours. I was very, very, very happy with the customer service. I feel like Poshmark has really, really improved their customer service compared to how it was about a year ago. So I am very happy with that turnout. It was a lot better than I was expecting. I was really nervous that I wasn't going to get my money, but I did end up getting my money. It all worked out in the end. So definitely feel free to always reach out to Poshmark if you have experienced like a hole in an item or a stain that was not in the picture when you went to purchase the item. Definitely take a screenshot of it and submit it right away to Poshmark. Don't wait, just do it right away, and they have to help you. So most of the time, if you give them enough evidence of what your case is, then it typically will result in your favor. Now, if you would like me to do a video just on like Poshmark cases and my experience, because I have experienced a couple different cases over the past couple of years, I would love to make a video about that. I do have some knowledge on it. So feel free to comment down below if you are interested in that. And if you're interested in me doing more unboxing videos and just sharing like how people send items, like how people ship them, or what I do, feel free to comment that down below as well, because I feel like it's helpful to see how other people do business, and it kind of gives you like some sort of idea on what exactly you could do. Everybody obviously has a different selling system and business system, but I think it's nice to see how other people do it as well, just so you can kind of get an idea as well. So that is everything. I'm super excited about my shorts and my tank top for this summer, and I do feel like I got a good deal. It was 35 bucks altogether, and then of course I had to pay for shipping, which I hate paying for shipping, but it's okay, that's how it is. So yeah, I'm looking forward to wearing this during the hot summer months, and I cannot wait for summer. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short little video of my unboxing, and I plan on doing more in the future. And also, I want to just share with you all, I am trying to find Lululemon gym clothes for my husband. He's probably an extra large, because he typically is a large, but since Lululemon runs like sizes smaller, I want to get him extra large, and we're looking for tank tops for him and joggers. So if you all are selling any of that, comment your closet name down below. I would love to buy from my subscribers for my YouTube channel versus anyone else on the platform. So definitely comment down below if you are currently selling anything for men's in Lululemon size extra large tank tops, or any joggers as well. I would definitely love to check out your closet and the items that you have. But that is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay, don't mind the disaster mess behind me, but I just wanted to show you the tank top. So yes, it is a bit see-through, like you can see my sports bra right there, which I typically would not do that, but I kind of like it. It's cute. It like hangs down in the back, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm happy with that, and I am actually going to wear this to, I'm going to do my spin class tomorrow. I do spin class every Sunday as my cardio day, so I will be doing that tomorrow. But I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. So yeah, I like it. It looks cute. It's cozy. It's actually like really soft, and I like how it's split like that down the back. It looks cool. So very, very nice.